Yo, what is up, Lawnmower fam? This is probably the video I'm gonna die, so this might be the last video. Okay, so today I'm gonna be eating these Warheads, but only the sour parts, so maybe it's a waste, I don't fucking know. Sorry mom and dad. And then this is the concoction. I don't even remember what we put in it, but I know we put the Fruit Quake Mountain Dew in here, as well as a normal Mountain Dew, and like 12 different monsters. So I'm gonna be chugging that with the Diablo sauce. So here we go, guys.
No, I want it for home. Turn your fucking home. Which one do you want? I got yellow and green.
You're gonna die. Yeah, probably.
Dude, they're not that bad. They're not that sour. He's taking it like a champ.
It literally has a warning on it. Stop taking them!
I'm looking at the warning.
Is there a warning on these?
Warning, your brother is to eat.
It does. Fuck.
Taylor, how many times can you get from the line? So how's the food review right now?
How you feeling right now?
Rating.
How you feeling? I don't like this so far.
I can see him like kind of too.
I think this is gonna be the first Lawnmower video to actually have editing.
Like,
Just do like a handful at once. How's my tongue look so far? What's it look like? It's just white. No one has a lot on it, I saw it. Fuck. Sweating. Guys, start opening them for him.
No, I'm not like that.
Mike Shafton. Katie.
Am I bleeding? It's getting there.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Alright guys, first sip of this. My tongue is numb. Can't taste anything. This might have been a shit idea. How's it look? How's it look? Very bad.
Let's get something in here. What? Drink from the fountain.
Hi.
What? Is it good?
Drink.
My tongue is like numb. I can't taste anything.
You can do it, Caden. We believe in you. What's he doing? He's gonna freaking die.
Look,
all those?
Warhead Extreme, the Warheads,
Right.
and he's eating. Look how many he's ate. You're only supposed to eat like 2 within like 10-minute periods.
I
That doesn't look like eating to me. That looks like sucking.
Oh yeah, because the inside. Only the sour part. Yeah, only the sour part.
The sour comes off that fast.
No.
Yeah.
It does.
Right now.
Really?
Yeah, because it's just coated.
No.
They're very bad.
Try the drink.
Kid, you're gonna wonder why you're gonna be fucking retarded in the future.
I already am. Let's get a tongue checkup.
No time
Tongue
like
checkup.
the present day.
How bad? It's very red.
No, dip it.
Show us your tongue again.
No, dip it.
All right, guys, let's count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4,
What the
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There you guys. Up 15, 16.
touch or something. The guy's like, whoa,
Ah, shit. Sorry, Susan with just cock. Sorry for saying bad words. Please don't tell my mom.
You can feel the pain.
Yeah, fuck.
Hey Blake, could I have
All right.
7 of them?
Let's go. Yeah, you want 7 of them? Take
Yeah.
them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, poggers. I'm gonna.
Yeah, I taste it.
With lights and
Taste the metallic.
we should both try to keep an eye, but like make it look like we're not looking at it. Let's see if he actually. Because I'm not.
Waiting?
Use metal dice. These ones that
Yes, I am. Tongue checker. Tongue checker. This water is for backup. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I'm just gonna give these two. I think I'm gonna give these 6 to charity. Because honestly, guys, this is fucked.
Now put it all in here.
Alright, no, I'm not putting it, guys.
Stop!
hold your hand.
How's
Okay,
my
I'll
tongue
give you one
looking?
more. I'll give you one more.
Do you think it's gonna get well soon? Do you think it's? Oh god. All right. Hey White, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Go get salt and put it in this water, please.
Where am I gonna get salt?
Kitchen or something. I don't know. Go find something.
No, no.
No, I need to soak my mouth in it.
Wyatt.
White, fucking do it.
We're not. We can't find salt.
Ask the fucking kitchen for salt.
Go ask the kitchen for salt.
Do you not see what I'm fucking doing, dipshit?
No, Wyatt. Wyatt, it's not worth it. Don't be worse than him. Wyatt.
Oh, there's the Warheads.
You did this to yourself, Caden.
Oh, he hit all the warheads.
I can smell it.
Guys.
What's the rating? What do you rate this?
I think I'm gonna have to censor this. Oh, can't forget the Diablo sauce.
Oh
No, what the? What's the rating?
Oh, that sucks like this. Eat that shit on the daily, but like this, oh fuck. Drink the milk. Rating. Never gonna do this again. 0 out of 10 lawnmowers. Catch you guys in the next one.